Welcome to the A2G of Improv, your companion to becoming a committed, competent, creative musician. I'm Adam Moore, the creator of A2G of Improv, your guide to navigating the piano creatively. If you can create the natural and harmonic minor, the Lydian, the Dorian, the Lydian augmented, the acoustic and flamenco scales on the piano, and you can help someone who can't and move to point 7. If not, stay committed to this chapter, grow in competence and get creative. Welcome to A stage, point 6 of the A2G of Improv, where we'll explore a collection of alternative scales. In point 5, we discovered that when scale degrees of a major key are flattened or sharpened, a new key is created. It's now time to expand our knowledge of musical keys and use them to create new melodies. In point 6, we'll explore how a C major melody is transformed when we transpose it into the harmonic minor, Lydian, Lydian augmented, Dorian, flamenco and acoustic keys. Here's the C major melody that we'll transpose. Root, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7, 3. Pause the video and play the melody with one right hand finger and then one left hand finger. In point 5, we explored the natural minor key. The natural minor flattened the 3rd, 6th and 7th degrees of the major scale. Let's create a second type of minor, the harmonic minor, which has 2 flats, flat 3 and flat 6. The harmonic minor scale degrees from 1 to 7 would be root, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, 7. Here's the C harmonic minor. Root, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, 7, root. Pause the video and play the C harmonic minor using one finger, one hand at a time. Here's our melody using the C harmonic minor musical map. Root, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, 5, 7, flat 3. Pause the video and try this melody yourself over 1 octave. Now let's set up the C Lydian scale, which has 1 sharp. Root, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7. Visualize C major and then sharpen the 4th scale degree. 1, 2, 3, 4. F becomes F sharp. Here are the 7 scale degrees of C Lydian over 2 octaves. Second octave, pause the video and play C Lydian using one finger, one hand at a time over 2 octaves. Here's our melody played in C Lydian. Pause the video and play the melody using C Lydian. Let's set up the Lydian augmented scale, which has 2 sharps, root, 2, 3, sharp 4, sharp 5, 6 and 7. Visualize C major Then find and sharpen the 4th and 5th scale degrees, F and G. F becomes F sharp, G becomes G sharp. Here is the C Lydian augmented. Pause the video and ascend, then descend the C Lydian augmented, one finger, one hand at a time. Now let's hear our melody transposed into C Lydian augmented. Pause the video and have a go yourself. The Dorian scale flattens 2 of the major scale degrees, root 2, flat 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7. Locate the 3rd and 7th scale degrees of C major. Use one finger, one hand at a time, to ascend and then descend the C Dorian scale over 2 octaves. Pause the video and give this a go. Now let's hear the sound of our scale degree melody using the C Dorian. Pause the video and use the C Dorian to play your melody. Like the harmonic minor and Dorian scales, the flamenco also has 2 flats. The harmonic minor flattened the 3 and 6, the Dorian flattened the 3 and 7, the flamenco flattens the 2nd and 6th scale degrees, root flat 2, 3, 4, 5, flat 6, 7. The flamenco in C looks like this. Pause the video and use the visual guide to ascend and then descend the C flamenco. Here's how our melody sounds when played using C flamenco. Pause the video and have a go yourself, one finger for each hand. The final alternative scale that we'll explore at point 6 is the acoustic. The acoustic map has both a sharpened and flattened scale degree, sharp 4 and flat 7. Here's the C acoustic scale ascending and descending over 3 octaves. Create your C acoustic roadmap by sharpening the 4th, then flattening the 7th scale degrees of C major. Ascend then descend over 3 octaves using one finger, one hand at a time. Pause the video now and use the visual guide to help you. Here's our melody using the C acoustic scale degrees. Pause the video and have a go of our C acoustic melody. Here are 3 tasks which are laid out in full detail in the Stage Companion PDF. Use the committed and competence tasks to refresh and integrate all that you've learned so far. The 3rd task will add a creative edge for your piano playing. For your committed task, get comfortable playing the 0.6 melody in each of the alternative scales using C as your root note. For your competent task, grow your competence by playing each alternative scale using both F and G as your root notes. First visualise the major, then adjust it using the sharps or flats of the new scale. For your creative task, create your own 7-note melody that includes the 4th and 7th scale degrees. Play your melody in F major, ensuring your 4th scale degree is a B flat. Choose one of the alternative keys explored in 0.6 and adjust your melody accordingly. Play your 7-note melody in G major, ensuring your 7th scale degree is an F sharp. Transpose your G major melody into a 2nd alternative key, adjusting the scale degrees of your melody accordingly. When including a sharp 4 in F major, the B flat becomes B natural. When including a flat 7 in G major, the F sharp becomes F natural. Dedicate some time to complete the 0.6 tasks and then move on to 0.7, where we'll explore creating triads to add harmonic and rhythmic depth to your piano playing. I'll meet you there.